y'all, I'm going to show you how to make this spicy blackberry margarita. It's going to knock your socks off. Of course, this is a margarita, so we're going to start with some kosher salt on a plate and then run a lime around a rock-sized glass. Pop that right into the kosher salt so it adheres to the rim. Then you're going to fill that cup up with ice and set it to the side. Now in a cocktail shaker, you want to add 4 or 5 fresh blackberries and get them muddled down until they are completely pulverized into juice and pulp. Then you're going to drop in a couple slices of jalapeno to get a little kick of heat and just muddle them a little bit or a lot depending on how hot you want it. Then you're going to add in 1.5 ounces of silver tequila, 1 ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of light agave syrup, and a little handful of ice. Pop that lid on, give it a really vigorous shake for 20 to 30 seconds, and then you're going to strain it into that glass that you prepared earlier. Now, sometimes I find that the seeds and stuff kind of muck up the strainer, so I like to just use a little fine mesh cocktail sieve and pour it right into the cup. Top that off with a little soda water and garnish it with some fresh blackberries and jalapeno slices. You can find the full printable recipe on momsdinner.com. Cheers!